Eat quick, go. 4, 3, 2. Moving down to the left. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap under the knee. 4, 3. L squat, go. Here's 4. Come on. 3. Knee. Up and over. Push through. Push. Come on. You got it. Ready? Zigzag hop. Go. 4, 3. 3 hops. Low to the front. Crisscross here. Ready? Down back burpee. Crisscross. One more like that. Ready? Keep feet by 4. Hop up back 4. Jump left right. Squat thrust. Here we go. Arms crossed down. Hit. Hook it out right here. Single arm burpee down. 4, 3. Ready? Crisscross up and go. And 4 and 3 and 2. Quick jab combo. Hit. Touchdown. Ready? Squat uppercut. Go. Hit. Push. Ready? 3 hops around. 1 and out. Ready? 2 power knees.